So it is 2023, and right now the currency is trust. How can you build trust with your audience effectively and cost effectively so that you can really reach your goals and stay relevant this year? That's what we're talking about today. Now, there are so many things you could be doing for your business, so many things you could be doing in your business, and everyone has an opinion of what the best thing is. But I can tell you above everything, building trust with your audience and your prospective clients is the biggest thing that you can do right now, and it is the most important. People need to be able to trust you. There is a lot going on in this world. There's a lot of skepticism, and people need to know that it is working and that you are going to be the person that's there for them. So, how can you effectively build trust in a way that is also cost effective and accomplishes something in a really easy way? Because that is the best way to be running your business so that you're not running yourself into the ground or overspending your budget. And I will say that one of the best ways you can do that is through newsletters on LinkedIn. Newsletters are a great tool that right now are completely free. And how do they build trust? Well, first of all, it's regular communication with your followers. It will be delivered directly to them. They don't have to just happen to have it in their feed like a post that you're putting up. It goes right to them, and it allows you to share more on what you are doing. So you can actually write a full 1,000 word, 3,000 word article as opposed to just a short post. And that information gives your audience a sense of what you can do. It adds to your credibility and it lets you share what you do best. And that's the best way to build trust, is to be willing to share with people and show them what you can do. Now, another way is that it allows you to share video like we're sharing right here, but multiple ones, such as from your YouTube channel, or if you have a channel on another platform. But sharing those videos, such as from Vimeo, help to build trust, because when people can see and hear you and interact with you, even though it is in many ways a one-way communication, they feel like they know you, they feel like they can relate to you, and that connection is very important in 2023. People are not looking for faceless, distant companies to invest their money in. They want to feel connected to who they're giving their money to, because again, they're not buying products and services, they're buying solutions from people they trust. The last way is it allows you to share multiple links in a way that isn't going to ding you because you're sharing it in a post, or doesn't get complicated and cumbersome in a post. You can link throughout the newsletter just like you would in a blog post or an article. And that can go to opt-ins. It can go to other blog posts that you have. It can go to features that you have, such as on your YouTube channel or other places, where people can leave LinkedIn, get to know more about you, and get into your world in a very effective way. So, how can you grow your business in 2023? The biggest thing is to build trust. And what is a vehicle for building trust that's economical, easy to implement, and very effective? Newsletters are the answer. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time a video goes live. I would love to hear what you are working on. Have you started a newsletter? Have you thought about it? Please comment below and let me know where you are in the process. And be sure to come back for more great tips and information on growing your LinkedIn channel through effective LinkedIn marketing that doesn't make you send spammy messages, waste money on ads, or just waste your time online getting no results.